The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus was released in February of 2019 at around $999 which is equal to 5,389 Ghana cedis, but is currently going for a cool 4,958 Ghana cedis only on Jumia Ghana. This is an amazing device which comes with a pre-installed screen protector since it doesn't really work well with a glass protector. The phone comes with an adapter that is a USB-C to USB-A adapter, a charging cable, a pair of AKG headsets with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a fast charger in the box. Nice one, Samsung. The phone comes in different colors: prism white, prism black, prism blue, flamingo pink, ceramic black, ceramic white, but I have here the ceramic black. The phone comes with a Bixby button on the left with a volume rocker, the SIM card tray on the top, and on the right you have the power, sleep or wake button. On the bottom you have the headphone jack, USB-C port, the microphone, and the speaker grill. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is equipped with a Snapdragon 855 chip, Adreno 640 CPU. This current device has an 8GB of RAM, which altogether produces a speedy device, and I'm sure it's going to perform very efficiently when it comes to playing games and performance in general. This is just an unboxing and first impression, so I couldn't really get to test it, but I sure will when I get it into the studio. This device comes with a 4100 mAh battery, which gives you 25% better battery compared to the S9 Plus, and also comes with a fast charger in the box, which I really appreciate from Samsung, and also has this new wireless power share feature that allows you to share your battery with other wireless capable devices. In the camera department, this phone has a 12MP f1.5 to 2.4 wide angle camera, a 12MP 2.5 52mm telephoto camera, and a 16MP f2.2 ultra wide camera. It records video in 4K and in 2160 pixel at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 240 frames per second, and 720p at an amazing 960 frames per second. I can't wait to try that out. The selfie camera comes with a 10MP f1.9 camera and an 8MP f2.2 depth sensor, which helps with amazing portrait shots. The Samsung S10 Plus comes with a massive 6.4-inch screen. This is a dynamic AMOLED display. I must say, this is the most beautiful display I've ever seen in a mobile device. It is also the world's first mobile device to support HDR10+. There's a small chin at the bottom, which is not so bad. I think it's cool. The screen produces deep blacks, and in general it produces crisp videos and gets really bright too. I really love the screen. Good work, Samsung. This also comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is right below the screen. This is an amazing feature and I can't wait to try it out. So this being an unboxing and first impression, I must say, within this short period of having this phone, the display caught my eye. I really love it. This is a really snappy phone. It doesn't slow down at all. I like the speed. I love the display. The camera seems really good. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor seems to be an amazing feature too. All in all, I like this phone. I can't wait to make a detailed review on this. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Turn on that post notification too so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Leave your comments, questions, and all that in your comment section. I hang out with you always. Thank you. I like seeing your lovely faces. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.